Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Handling File Not Found Error in Python, Dealing with Path Not Found. Introduction. In Python, encountering a file not found error is a common occurrence, especially when dealing with file and directory operations. This error typically occurs when the specified path in your code does not exist. This tutorial will guide you through understanding and handling the file not found error in Python, providing code examples and best practices. Understanding file not found error. The file not found error is raised when an attempt is made to access a file or directory that doesn't exist at the specified path. It is a subclass of the more general IOError and can occur in various file-related operations, such as opening a file, reading or writing data, or manipulating directories. Basic code example. Let's start with a simple code example that may raise a file not found error when trying to open a non-existent file. In this example, the code attempts to open a file for reading, and if the file does not exist, a file not found error is caught and an appropriate message is printed. Handling path not found. To handle the path not found more gracefully, you can use the os.path.exists function to check whether the path exists before attempting any file operations. This ensures that you only proceed with file operations if the path exists, preventing the file not found error from being raised. Using try except block with file not found error. Another approach is to use a try except block to catch the file not found error specifically. This is similar to the first example but allows you to catch the error specifically for more targeted handling. Best practices. Conclusion. Handling the file not found error in Python is essential for robust and error-tolerant code. By understanding the causes and implementing proper checks, you can ensure that your programs gracefully handle situations where files or directories are not found. ChatGPT.